Good morning, my student friends. I think you would have had a very wonderful orientation day, and we were all very excited to see all of you, though online, to address you and your parents and all the stakeholders in our orientation day program. You would have also had a glimpse of really what's happening at SKCET, and you would have also got a feel of how your journey is going to be all these 4 years of your lifetime at SKCET. Well, I would now like to elaborate on how you can prepare yourself for a glorious career ahead at the end of your 4 year stint at SKCET, and then what you need to do or concentrate on this first year of studies, though your HOD will really tell you in a much better way, in a very specific way, and more candid way than me. I'll just start off with this, from what I have seen or what people like us have seen throughout our career of 20-25 years of service in various institutions. See, if you want to live your life king size or queen size, as they say, okay, then all that you have to do is to put in a lot of hard and smart work in your 4 years of study at our institution, SKCET. So if you want to live the next 40 years as king size life or queen size life, then you have to work hard and work smart in this 4 years of your stay at SKCET. So how you prepare yourself this 4 years will determine how you're going to lead your life the next 40 years in your life. So it's up to you, all right? So with this short note, let me just give you the very specifics of your stay at SKCET. All right, SKCET is a place for every dream. That's what we say, okay? And your slogan for this year, your slogan was "Live Your Dream," isn't it? So everybody would have had, all of you will have a variety of dreams, isn't it? Some would like to go for higher studies, some would like to go for job, career. And in that also, some would like to go for product company, some would like to go for service company, some would like to start their own business, isn't it? On entrepreneurship, so on and so forth. So students come with variety of dreams here, right? So what you should do in this 4 years of stay at SKCET for shaping or honing your skills, for launching a successful career, or becoming a great entrepreneur, or a highly successful alumni who has got an admission in a top-notch college in abroad. What should you do? Okay, so I just have a nutshell of what you can do, the takeaways. First thing is, yes, the first and foremost thing is the attendance and discipline. Without attendance and discipline, we cannot scale greater heights at all. All right. So though I know the classes are all going on online, and in our institution, now the online has become the new norm, people say. But in our institution, it's an old norm, I will say, because we are always many years before also we started this, right? We do online education 24/7 in Google Classroom. All right, where your notes will be posted in the Google Classroom, and anytime you can go and take it off, and you can revise, and your quizzes, assignments, all that will be done only in Google Classroom. So we have been doing that for quite some years now. So it's not a new norm, it's old for us actually. But then we have revised and refined it to give you a good flavor, in a sense that we have this time for every module, we have module-wise PPT, module-wise video, the industry happenings, all will be posted in your Google Classroom. So anytime you can go and see that, and then there is the faculty themselves who will be teaching you in your Google Classroom. And it will be a very interactive sessions. If you have any doubts, then and there you can ask. And then to test your knowledge in the model, we have posted a Google form for a kind of a questionnaire, so that whether we will know the assessment level, whether you have understood the topic, etc. And then the evaluation will also be done online. So lot of niceties or new revisions and refinements we have added in our erstwhile Google Classroom. So I think you all should find it very interesting. So one thing is, you should all attend and take your Google Classrooms very seriously, attend all the classes, okay? Not just, switch on your Google Classroom and then mute everything and go. It's not that, because you see, at the end of it, what we love to do. Only that only determines our success, isn't it? So take all your classes seriously. Attendance is a must. Secondly, self-discipline. I think our chief guest would have spoken to you on the orientation day about how self-discipline you should be even while attending the classes, isn't it? So even while attending the classes, how you should groom yourself, how you should prepare yourself and come few minutes before and wait in the meeting room, etc. So you have to practice all that. Secondly, what does our college offer for an enthusiastic candidates like you all in our campus is or our best practices. Some of our best practices, I would say, is the first thing is we have a concept called Snap Talk. I think you would have, your HOD would have spoken to you about it. Now, Snap Talk is one, I should say, it's one of our unique USP or unique best practice which we practice at SKCET, where every student will be given 5 minutes, and then you will have to come to the dais and talk on your any particular subject of your choice for 5 minutes. We video record it and we play it at the end of the session or at the end of the entire session lodge, and we will tell you where you have to improve, and then again you'll get another chance. Okay, now why we do all this is because, see, at the end of the day it comes to placements. The success of any institution is actually gauged by placements, right? And we at SKCET, I will say, think our slogan is think placements, think SKCET. Now, when you compare with the placements in this area, in the regional area, we are actually like a fighting tiger. We are we are in one of the most formidable positions as far as our students' placement is concerned. I'm very happy to recollect. I think 2017 or 18, 17 of our students got placed in Amazon for an SD role. And every year we are churning out 4 or 5 people in cream companies. For example, Amazon, other companies as well. So at least 200 of our students will get placed in top companies with the salary per annum. And this LPA ranging between somewhere between only about 7 lakhs. 7 lakhs to 20 lakhs itself will be 200 students from our institution. But see, getting a job in these premier companies is not that very easy. For that, what we should do is we should prepare from the first year onwards, right? You may think that, yeah, first year is a time where we just, we break free from our, the shackles of your school time, and then we enter into a new environment where we can relax, and then we can take care of second year when we go to the department. All that will not work out at all. You should start working from day one when you step into the portals of SKCET, which is now. So I'll tell you, so from first year onwards, we give you a platform to perform. That is, you hone up your English speaking skills, because at the end of the day, I have noticed this, when it comes to a group discussion or interview during HR round and all that, all our guys will do very well during their aptitude and all the test levels. But when it comes to talking, person to person talking, there a lot of things matters. Okay, the confidence, the body language, the way you carry yourself, and what you talk to the interviewer, all that matters. So to hone up your confidence and your communication skills, we have several exercises. One is the Snap Talk, I would say. So make good use. Maybe Snap Talk will happen online this semester. So we'll be giving you slots where you can come out and talk. Even I will be part of the audience who will listen to, you talking over Snap Talk. So take this as a golden opportunity, seize the moment and live the moment, and hone up your communication skills. Not only that, a lot of clubs your ma'am will be, your tutors, madam would be saying to you, we have humor club, vestibule club, English club, Tamil Mandram, social club, EGAI club, so many clubs, robotics club, so many clubs we have. So depending upon your choice, your interest, you can get aligned in each of these clubs, and then, whatever be it institution social responsibility, or conducting any event or anything for that matter. All right. So, networking, negotiating, socializing, all that we give a lot of avenues. There are a lot of avenues and platforms which you can make best use of it. And so the clubs you can participate and prepare yourself for the placements. Now you should start preparing now for getting a superior job at the end of 4 years. Now in our college, it's not even 4 years. In third year itself, your placements will happen. I know a lot of success stories from our boys and girls where in third year they get internship in Zoho. And you know, Zoho is one of the most happening company in town. So it's like, strictly speaking, your BE will not be for 4-year degree. It will actually be for 3 year. If you are very bright and smart, and if you're sincere and do work your maths right, and if you're really honest and hardworking and smart working, you will definitely land up in plum job in third year itself. Nevertheless, for all the rest of them, it is not going to happen at the end of fourth year. At the beginning of the fourth year itself, campus drives will come. You know what? In our institutions, companies are vying with each other to get the first lot for conducting campus drive in our campus. You know, every year we find it really difficult. What do I say? Talking and negotiating with companies, whom to come first, whom to let the company, which company to let first, etc. It's like that. Things are really getting crazy because they want the cream once in the institution. So what I'm trying to say is, maybe at the fourth year, beginning of the fourth year itself, you'll have several companies lined up. It will be really amazing to see. Every day will be campus drive day. This day one company, next day another company. And you know, these companies are not run-of-the-mill companies. All are good product companies, good service companies, where the salary ranges from 5 lakhs to 25 lakhs per annum. So that will be a really proud moment for you and your parents also. But you should start. Success doesn't come easy, my dear student friends. Success really doesn't come that easy. Okay, you should fight it out. Okay, and therefore you should make best use of your skills, hone your skills while your period of stay in our campus. So one thing is honing up your English language, honing up your personality, the way you talk. So practice grooming also. Now that you're in your home is all right, but when you come to our institution, you come with proper grooming. Okay. Though we don't have any restrictions on the dress code, but we do have, like, you have to have proper dress. You should tuck in, shirts should be tucked in, and then shoes should be worn, properly groomed hair. Nowadays I see lot of styles of hairstyles being floated and flaunted around. All that is fine, okay, but then the college has an etiquette. See, we cannot go like that to a can we go like that to Facebook? Can we go like that to a good Robert Bosch, for example? So to a company, we cannot present ourselves like that. We can't even think of going like that and sitting before an interviewer with the hair all around and whatnot. So we can't go like this. Spikes hairstyle and all, we can't go, isn't it? Therefore, you should practice coming to the institution also in a well-groomed manner. So what I'm trying to say is, in short, if you should aim at the campus drive day from day one. The day one you have stepped into SKCT, that day you should start preparing, not for your semester, not for your first year, not for your second year, but for hitting the bullseye on the campus drive day. Okay, the moment you will step out of the portals of SKCT. Nowadays, the company, they want students to be industry ready the moment they step out of the portals of the college. Okay, so we have lot of platforms. We have tied up with lot of companies, set up lot of center of excellences in our campus. Then we have lot of avenues wherein the industry people will come and launch lot of contests, participate in all that. The next thing is how you can groom up is to participate in lot of competitions. Now in our institution, you know, we really don't strictly stick on to classroom teaching like chalk and talk. None of the classes, if you can come and see, will have chalk and talk sessions or blackboard. We have only digital classrooms. Okay, so make best use of all these facilities here. And we also strongly believe that if you participate in a competition, then you will hone up your all sorts of skills. Okay, so we encourage all our students to participate in a lot of hackathons. We have a lot of success stories itself. The Government of India annually conducts Smart India Hackathon, software version and hardware version. And we, in our institution, for the 4th consecutive time, we have conducted the software version of Smart India Hackathon. It's going to be the 5th time when we do it next year. And not only hosting, many of our students have got first prize. It's not just one team. At least, last year we had 4 teams for getting the first prize. And at least one team or more than one team will get the first prize in Smart India Hackathon, which happens across various centers, and they go even to North India, northeastern part of India. They go there, they compete, and they win the laurels for the institution. And when they win a prize, like let's say 1 lakh prize, the management also gives another 1 lakh prize. Okay, so we reward you on the college day. So therefore, you make best use of those opportunities. And very recently, I want to share the success stories. Our team from CSC, they bagged the first prize. They got 1.5 lakh cash prize from Assam Chief Minister. It's called Assam Police Hackathon, which was held in Assam. Okay, so they participated online and they got the first prize. And we are very happy about it. And I mean, today's news is one team from CSBS. They have participated in Oxford Hackathon. Oxford University, I think you should all be aware of it. They participated in Oxford Hackathon and they got the first prize. So they made the institution proud. You know what? In SK City, we celebrate our students' success. You know, we have a everyday newsletter. We call it as SK City Buzz. And during this pandemic time, we are doing it. I was telling very recently from CSBS and CESC, they won hackathons in Oxford University and also in Assam. So why I'm trying to tell you all this is we actually celebrate our student success. We usually have a daily newsletter, which we call as SKCT Buzz. So what's buzzing around SKCT, the whole outside world will know. So we will actually consolidate all the happenings which is in our institution on that day, and we will release one newsletter, a magazine, the very same day. So all our stakeholders, our parents, students, our alumni, our industries, all of them will get to understand what is really happening in SKCT. And in that bus, we'll celebrate all your events. If you have won the laurel, your photo, your award, and all that feature will be there. Also, we will give it to the outside world, the press, and all that. That's how our college is actually very successful. The outside world appreciates us for the kind of platform that we give to the student community. So please make use of all these competitions, hackathons. Google Developer Club is there. Google Developer Circle is there in our campus. Mozilla Club is there in our campus. And ICT, we partnered with ICT. We participated in the Tokyo Way to Singapore. And one of our students was actually a finalist in ICT, talk competition, speech competition. So there are varieties of clubs, varieties of competitions, varieties of platform. But you children should make best use of the opportunities here and rise and shine. So from your team, I want you all to be a very highly successful than your previous teams or your seniors, I would say. What your seniors have not done till now, I want all of you to do and accomplish that and, bring laurels to our institution, make us proud. It should be the best ever team or best ever batch. Your 2020 batch should be the best ever batch that SKCT has witnessed all these years. So make good use of the time, take all your Google Classroom sincerely, and whatever platform is being offered to you, please make best use of the opportunity and rise and shine. That's how you live your dream. Also in your 4 years of study at SKCT. Wish you all the very best. Thank you, one and all.